Okay, I just finished the last video. I'm gonna finish this one and then I'm gonna do a game video. I have PUBG game and I have PUBG and Free Fire. I cannot unlock Roblox. Okay, so I'm gonna do Free Fire, PUBG Mobile, and Call of Duty. That's all. Okay. My mom's phone. I am in 44 level, and then now I am my own phone. I'm 20, maybe 23, 24. I forgot. So that's I just last night I just play. Last night I just download Free Fire. So I'm just one level. So and Call of Duty. Yeah, Call of Duty. I think maybe 20 something level. Okay, let's start in the video. Okay, the front flip. Okay, 5, 2, 1. Oh my goodness gracious! Can you see that? Oh yeah. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Oh my god. Oh. I'm gonna end my video there. Okay. Wait. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Ow, my butt. I didn't even do a front flip.